Today we are making delicious chicken Tikka Kebab. Let us do a quick preview first. Before the recipe starts, please subscribe to Cooking and Style. Keep aside for 40 minutes for marination. Now chop some vegetables for chicken tikka skewers. Chop peppers, tomatoes, white onions, red onions, and green chilies. Now it is time to make the chicken tikka skewers with vegetables. Piece by piece, add chicken and vegetables to the skewer stick. Make as much as you want. You can add more spices according to your taste. Preheat the oven. Put inside the tikkas. Cook the tikkas until golden brown. After 10 minutes, change the sides. Alhamdulillah, the tikkas are ready. Please try this recipe. You will not be disappointed. It is the most delicious chicken tikka recipe in the world. It is healthy and contains plenty of protein. You can eat these kebabs with many things, such as chutney. You can eat with rotis. You can also eat it with plain rice or biryani. If you have not subscribed to Cooking and Style, please subscribe. Like our videos and share our videos with friends and family. Comment down below which types of recipes you want us to make. We will try our best to make these recipes. Allah Hafiz, thank you for watching this video.